Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Welcome to part 2 of 2016 versus 2019. If you guys didn't watch my previous video, I am recreating a project that I had created back in 2016 with kind of my new crafting abilities. And yeah, so let me just show you guys again what my 2016 one looks like, just to give you that memory before I show you what I created now. And you guys, this isn't bad at all. It's just I feel like it's all over the place and there's no theme. So that to me is very big now. When I create my projects, I like to have a theme so that everything is not so crazy. And I feel like I have like rope and trees and gold and all this stuff that's just like all over the place. And I have random stuff stuck down all over the place. And I just wouldn't do that today. So this is what I made back when I first started, and I loved it when I created it, but now I cringe. So I want to show you guys what I made now with today's style of crafting and with my new abilities and my new ways in crafting. Ta-da! What do you guys think? This is a Halloween version and I am obsessed, you guys. It is a shaker, as you guys can see, and I used a bunch of the ephemera pieces. I did stitching, I did the acetate shaker, enamel dots, these cute little alphas that I found in my collection. And you guys, I am obsessed. I put the word eek right here on the tab, and now what we're gonna do is we're going to open it. Look, you guys, I am so proud of this project. I think it looks so good, super clean. I love the colors and the vibrancy of it. Excuse me. A lot of you guys are asking me about my printer and stuff like that. I do have a video. I did answer back a bunch of the comments showing you guys a video that I had already posted showing my printer, because everything is still the same, the ink program that I'm in, all that good stuff. So yeah, definitely check that out. I'm going to link it underneath this video as well, so you guys can go and check it out. And if you want to sign up for the ink program, you can definitely do that as well. But let me show you guys what this side first looks like. So here's the top tab, and here's the little mini folder. So as you can see, I laid down the paper with all the pretty little Halloween balloons. I made a little belly band here, and then I have some little ephemera pieces. I did these little chipboard pieces right here just to not make the tabs look so plain. I matted everything with black, and then I stitched down with the neon green thread. And when you open it up, look at that, you guys. Does that not look so fun? So I used, I think it's Ada, or yeah, I think it's Ada was the one that I had seen these little shaker envelopes. So I made one right here. I did a bunch of little ephemera pieces, not too many, but just enough to kind of fill the page. Inside here, I just have a little packet of some extra ephemera. This is a good way, I think, to send off some goodies to a pen pal. In here, there's a little pocket. We have the little guy right here, and then it just says boo. Another little ephemera piece that says magic. This paper is not from the Say Cheese collection. I just added it because I like it, and I just thought it went well. And then when you close that up and we flip it to the other side this way, we have another belly band right here. So you have tons of space to put a bunch of goodies, and I'll show you guys in a bit of how they would look inside your folio folder. So I did the eyes right here, and then I also matted it with black, a little witchy spider, and then the little eek ephemera, another one of those little chipboard pieces. When you open this one up, you guys, we have like a decorative page and another little belly band right here with that same musical note paper. Everything is matted with black just to make it stand out. And then we have the striped purple, some little stickers. I put a little baggie in here to add some extra goodies in there. We have the little banner piece, put the word spooky here. So it's like a very interactive folder that you can just like turn around and look at all different places. But yeah, you guys, the reason why I put a bunch of belly bands, I'm gonna open this up to show you guys. is that this is such a great way to send over some embellishments. I have these from last year. I have these little pumpkin jack-o'-lantern rosettes. And what you can do is you can put this one right in here. These little tags, you can just put them in this belly band. And you can have like these little globes that I had made last year as well. You can put those right in here. So you have some ephemera pieces in here. You have these little embellishments in here, these embellishments, and then you have these little rosettes, and then you could put some like Project Life cards in here. And then in this one, you can put your card to your pen pal. And yeah, you guys, that is my 2019 version of this folio folder flipbook. Let me know down below what you guys think. I think it looks totally different. It's just crazy to me how different and cleaner it looks, more put together. I think I like them both, but I kind of appreciate how much I've evolved, how much I've changed. I cannot wait to see where I'm at 2-3 years from now. But yeah, you guys, that is my folio folder 2019. Please leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.